This EPM Nugget will focus on demystifying the function of software tokens in the upkeep and diagnostic processes of maintaining EPM agents. Let's start with the most obvious question: what is a software token? In simple terms, it is a uniquely generated code needed for EPM agent interaction. Why do we need to use these software tokens? Sometimes we have to adjust the EPM agent for maintenance or troubleshooting reasons. This can be risky because we are turning off some self-defense features of the agent to accomplish these tasks. For this reason, it is recommended to only generate tokens for the agents you are working on so that protection of the rest of the estate is not put at risk should the token be exposed through human error. Understanding their importance, let's delve into their operation. An EPM administrator can create a token via the EPM console tailored for an individual agent, a cluster of agents, or the entire fleet, and set an expiration period ranging from 1 hour to indefinite. Let's explore some practical use cases. The first is for loosely connected devices testing. Especially when configuring LCD for the first time, you'll want to validate that connections being made to PAM are secure and functional. Agent self-defense must be disabled in order to override the scheduled check-in and trigger manual connections. The next use case is to perform upgrades on deployed agents. If you have chosen to update via the console, the software token is sent automatically and securely to the agent for the update and is not exposed to the EPM admin. On the other hand, if you are updating via a software distribution tool such as SCCM, Intune, Jamp, etc., you will need to securely transfer the token to the tool and modify its expiration as needed. Finally, software tokens serve as a tool for diagnosing and resolving different functional issues with the agent, often in collaboration with CyberArk support. In such scenarios, it's recommended to employ a time-restricted software token designated for the particular endpoint under examination. Now that we understand typical uses, there are some considerations to think about. In the event of potential exposure of software tokens, they can be invalidated by toggling the agent's self-defense feature off and then on again within the agent's settings at the console. Be mindful that this action will revoke all previously issued software tokens, including those without an expiration date. Should you still need these tokens, they must be regenerated. It's important to monitor the software tokens you distribute and their usage locations. Tokens with no expiration should be used sparingly and only when absolutely essential. For software distribution solutions, assign tokens with a sensible lifespan that can be conveniently updated at regular intervals. As a final point, remember that during troubleshooting, as per CyberArk support's guidance, you should issue time-limited software tokens exclusively for the agents being scrutinized. Thank you for watching. You should now have a better understanding of software tokens.